Hello everybody, I hope you're all well. Do you like my new backdrop? I had to get it because my brother said I was going to get a load of weirdos watching me singing in my bedroom, so... But none of you are weirdos, are you? This song that I'm going to do now was written by Phil Coulter and made probably the most famous by Luke Kelly and requested by Sean in South Africa, who's a friend of my brother's. So Sean, I hope I do it justice, and everybody else, I hope you like it.
Golden hair and eyes that show the emptiness inside. Do we know? Can we understand just how he feels, or have we really tried? See him now as he stands alone and watches children play a children's game. Child, he looks almost like the others, yet they know he's not the same. Scorn not his simplicity, but rather try to love him all the more. Scorn not his simplicity, oh no. Recognizing the same face that only yesterday he loved. That loving face of a mother who can't understand what she's been guilty of. Oh, how she cried tears of happiness the day the doctor told her it's a boy. Now she cries tears of helplessness, thinking of the things he can't enjoy. Scorn not his simplicity, but rather try to love him all the more. Scorn not his simplicity, oh no. Ask for your pity or your sympathy, but sure